Hey everyone, how's it going? Now, we've had a lot of fun drawing some different kinds of Among Us skins and different Among Us characters. And for today's video, I want to show you guys how to draw one of the Among Us logos. So I hope you guys follow along and enjoy this video today. Now, to start off with this, we need to make a nice circle in the middle of our paper. I'm just going to go ahead and trace this small paint palette, and I'm going to use it just to make a nice circle. Now, I want to start off by making the hand inside of here. To do this, I'm going to start by drawing a small line that goes up like this. Next, I'm going to make a line that goes up, and it's going to come down. Then I'm going to draw a little line that goes in, and I'm going to curl it up. Next, I'm just going to make a little line that goes across. And I'm going to draw a line that comes down and connects to here. Starting here, I'm going to draw a little line that goes up, and it's going to come down to here. Starting right here, we're going to make the thumb. To do this, I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve down. It's going to come in like this, and then down and over. Now, starting here, we're going to make the tall finger. So I'm going to draw a line that's going to go up, it's going to curve around and come down. Next, I want to make the nice little bottom here. I'm going to start here. I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve across, and it's going to come up to here. Next, we want to make the top of the spacesuit. To do this, we're just going to draw a line that's going to curve up, and it's going to come down like this. Now, inside of here, I'm going to draw a line that goes up. I'm going to come over, and I'll bring it down like this. Next, we're going to make a little line that goes over. I'm going to jump over this and connect it right to here. And there you go. There is your drawing of your Among Us character doing the shh. Now, what you want to do is you're going to have to draw some lines in here, and I'm just going to be doing that with my marker. You can do it with your marker, or if you want to, you can draw it out in your pencil or pen, whatever you're using. But there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.